Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a pineapple on natural hair. So just stay tuned and I will show you how to achieve this look. Okay, so what I'm doing now is picking my hair, and that's just to make it look more full for when I get ready to slide it up into a pineapple. And I know it looks weird for me to spray water on my hands like that, but I'm only doing it because I don't want my hair to get too wet. You don't want your hair to get too wet because it could end up causing shrinkage, and that is something that you absolutely do not want. Okay, so what I'm doing next is taking a little bit of gel and applying it to the outside of my hair. And what this is going to do is help my hair slide more easily into that pineapple style. Okay, so now I'm just taking the brush and smoothing everything out. Okay, so I'm just going to take this headband that I cut in half, and I'm just bringing it to the front to tie it, and I'm just going to make it as tight as I want my puff to be. I'm just going to make a knot, and then I'm just going to take it and slide it up to where I would like my pineapple to be positioned. Okay, so once your hair is positioned how you want, you're just going to tuck away the ends of the headband. Okay, and before you finish styling your pineapple, you're just going to go ahead and lay your edges. Now you don't have to do this. This is just a personal preference of mine. Okay, so now you're just going to take your pick and tease your hair and fluff it up as much as you want. And just do that until you're satisfied with your results. Okay, and that's a side view of my hair, and I am done. And that is how you do a pineapple, guys. But thank you so much for tuning into this video. I'll see you next time.